Hi guys, I am steaming some spinach, garlic, butter spinach, and I have some rice I've already cooked, and once the spinach is done, I'll put the rice in it and I'll come back and show you what I have. I have butter in this, about a half stick of butter, some chopped up fresh garlic, and some garlic pepper seasoning. I've not put any salt in it. I'll just see if it needs any salt later. And this is the rice that I've already cooked, and I will put it in the pot. Okay, y'all, here is the spinach and rice, and I'm going to let the liquid cook out of the rice and spinach. And also I added a tablespoon of better than bouillon chicken base, so it has a very good flavor. But I'll bring you back in just a few. Hey guys, just brought you in to see my plate. Southern style black-eyed peas with smoked turkey necks and spinach and rice. Buttered garlic spinach with rice. It is delicious, y'all. I'll talk to you soon. This is Patti. Hey guys, this is the end result of the spinach and rice, and it is delicious. Please like, share, follow, subscribe. Tell your family and friends about my channel. I will talk to you on the next video, and thank you for being a loyal subscriber and for watching. Bye.